Have you ever dreamt about gold, silver, accumulating wealth? We all want to make the best version of ourselves and those around us. So what if I tell you there's a way to accumulate gold, silver, and platinum while you dream? Introducing passive rewards in precious metals, powered by Aurus. Aurus is the precious metals network where certified and trusted precious metals refineries and dealers issue gold, silver, and platinum-backed digital tokens, allowing smart investors to easily own these assets and accumulate wealth in just a few clicks. These digital tokens are 100% backed by real grams of gold, silver, or platinum. These tokens can be transferred from one user's wallet to another. Every time a digital token moves, a small commission is deducted. And this is where the magic happens. The Aurus network automatically collects and stores these commissions in a digital vault secured by blockchain technology. So who owns the precious metals tokens accumulated in this digital vault? You. By acquiring the AurusX token, you have the keys to claim a percentage of these rewards every month. Just acquire AurusX tokens, activate them in the Aurus app, and receive passive rewards in gold, silver, and platinum every month. It's that simple. Download the Aurus app and get started today.